Guys, I will try to cover the subject as quickly as possible, but I think I will not succeed in this. So I am building a NAS. You can see the link in the description below about this NAS, and it has 12 disks bay and a backplane. Yeah. So let me first show you what kind of disk I have there, so it will be easy for you to understand, because we are going to talk about the cables. I met the problem that it doesn't detect disks, and I found that actually these cables are, they look the same, but they are different. I will explain you. Just first let's see what disks we have there. So look, in the first row I have 4 terabyte SATA. In the second row here I have SAS, and here SATA, and here SSD. So keep it in mind. So the problem I met that it doesn't see the disks. When I bought this enclosure, I decided not to buy the cable with it. And my idea was to provide SATA from the motherboard to the backplane with this cable. Yeah, okay, backplane. Yeah, we are talking about SFF-8643. Backplane and SATA to motherboard. And I decided I will buy a better brand cables, for example DeLock, well, it's so, than the one that is supplied with the enclosure, and that's why I didn't buy it. Yeah, and then I realized actually that they are directional. So this cable is for connecting to HBA card and then directly to disks, and nothing with the backplane here. And guys, actually you got the answer to your concern already, so you may like, subscribe, give your comments. Yeah, it's really helped me, this small channel. Otherwise I will continue to explain more. So actually if you want to take it from the motherboard and provide to the backplane, you need the cable that looks absolutely the same but is reversed. Yeah, so, and it is something that's quite difficult to find and buy. That is why if you are going to buy this case, I highly recommend to buy together with the cables, if your idea to go without HBA. So I finally bought the cable, the right cable. I sourced it from eBay, from somewhere else. It was again difficult to find the reverse cable even on the eBay from China. So, and I'm going to show you all options. So this is now the cable, reversed cable. I connected all 4 SATA, but actually, no, not actually, yeah. And I connected it to the first row of the backplane, this cable, you can see. So, and you remember we have SATA 4 terabytes disk there. So then I connected 2 cables from HBA. One is easy, which is SFF-8643 to the same one. So you can see it here. I connected it from here, and we go, and we go to the second row. Yeah, there. And the initial cables that I bought, either this one or this one, but we can look at this one, the yellow one, I connected from the card to one SSD drive here. And now we are going to check that you see all disks and how you see them in UEFI. So, for example, if we go into storage configuration where you only see motherboard, SATA, I think you understand it, we only see this Western Digital, because from the motherboard we take all 4 lines to the second row of backplane with the reversed cable again, because Wait a moment. Yeah, I don't use scripts, guys. Yeah, so forgive me. Yeah, from the SATA of the motherboard, we take it to the first row of the backplane, where we only have one Western Digital disk, and that's the only thing we see here. And I think, guys, you know that the best way place to see them all, it is somewhere in the boot priority. Yeah, it is actually here, and then even here. So, and now we see all 4 disks. We see this, that is from the motherboard. Then we see this Kingston. Yeah, it is with the cable, this SFF to SATA. Yeah, either this one or this one. Yeah, and we see another to Western, the second Western Digital and SAS. So SATA and SAS, that is connected with SFF to SFF cable from here to the second row, and you have seen them there. Guys, that's basically it. That's all what I wanted to show in this video, and I'm actually building a 10 gigabit data center in my garage. Yeah, so home 10 gig data center. Sorry guys, nothing for rent here. It's just for myself, eternal project, but I will cover a lot of different interesting stuff. Also some automation that I'm going to do here with the eye socket. I don't have it here right now, for remote reboot by cellular network, through cellular network. Let me just briefly show you. Yeah, here it's another server. There it's already covered in my first episode. So eye socket for remote power reboot and temperature control and other things. So just follow this channel and subscribe, give me your likes, yeah, etc. Thank you guys, bye.